2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 review. Not too bad. Does have a 2500 grille and bumper with a 1500 valance. It's on some 2018 Chevy stocks that powder coating has now fallen apart. If you're from Canada, you know. Trying to find a rust-free truck's not the easiest. It's got some clear headlights, LEDs in there, got some chicken lights, rock lights, some tint, tail lights, muffler delete with third cat. Sound too bad. We'll turn some lights on and see how that goes. Start with the back. So it's got clear tails, red LED bulbs, white LED reverse lights, LED license plate lights. It does have rock lights in each wheel well. Switchbacks, LED high and lows, LED chicken lights, and it does also have rock lights underneath it. It does have 16 rock lights altogether. It's got 2 under the front bumper, 2 under the rear, and 4 under the cab, and 2 in each wheel well. It does have windshield tint all the way around. Show you under the hood now. Does still need to get an HD hood, but just a dirty old 5.3. But pretty much everything's stock up here. The only thing really done to help the truck out is it's got a bully dog tuner to deactivate 4-cylinder mode, so we don't have to deal with that. Take a few steps back from it. She's not a bad looking truck. She's on a 3-inch level in the front, stock in the rear, stock control arms, everything. Yes, it can be done. Just on bump stops. Gotta order new control arms or new lifts soon. But this is where she's at right now. Gotta find a box for it. Doesn't sound too bad. Let's see if we can grab something to set you up. That's only $2,500. She did have a set of 22x12s. I just sold them. Trying to find a new set of wheels. Wasn't digging it too much. One was missing a center cap and it just looked too junk. But this is where she sits right now. Yes, the wheels were paid to get powder coated, as you can see, but they were done really badly, so they're gonna have to be redone or figure that out, or just use them as winners and leave it as that. Yeah, that's how she sits. I do have a buddy with the same type of truck, cab and a half. It's also got the HD grille and chicken lights. You guys would like to see that? We can get them both together. Same thing as mine, not on wides at the moment, but it's 3-inch level. But the truck was only used before I bought it to tow a boat here and there. Other than that, also on some 1/4-inch spacers with these, just so they don't sink in too much. But As you can tell with that bumper being so big, it just doesn't look right. That's how she sits at the moment.